friends. As I've already started with the power sharing chapter, that is the first chapter of civics of class 10th, I have already discussed the case of Belgium and Sri Lanka, how the Sri Lankan government resolved their problem. Now in this video I'll be discussing how the Belgium government have taken steps to resolve their problem. So let's not waste the time and focus on Belgium. Now in this, just to recapitulate the points quickly, the composition of the Belgium population, there are two majority community living in Belgium. One is the Dutch speaking community, which is in clear majority of 59% of Belgium population is Dutch speaking, and 40% Belgium population is French speaking community, right? So these two communities living in Belgium in two different region, means Dutch people, mostly Dutch people lives in the northern region, that is the Flemish land, and the French speaking community mostly reside in the southern region of Belgium, that is the Wallonian land. Now these two communities were having problems with each other, especially the Dutch people. They because the French were in minority group, the French were minority, and beside this fact they were quite rich, right? So this is the condition of Belgium, and this started resenting this thing, that being a majority, their economic conditions are not better than the French people, and they should get more rights, they should get more privileges. All these things happen. They should form their own government. Then the story is totally opposite in the capital city of Brussels, because there maximum people who are living in capital, they are French. About 80% of Brussels population is French speaking community and 20% Dutch speaking community. So there also the clashes occurred. So ultimately the clashes between two communities rose to such a level that it led to civil war situation in Belgium. Now how the government resolved this problem? So they adopted accommodation model. uh, they revised their constitution 4 times, just to make it sure that both the communities living in Belgium should get equal representation, should get equal rights, right? So how they worked out on this accommodation model, and as the name suggests, accommodation means एक साथ मिलजुल कर रहना. जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि एक कमरे में 4 लोगों को एकोमोडेट करना है, मीन्स एक कमरे में 4 लोग एक साथ कैसे रहेंगे. तो सिमिलरली देयर solution, they saw this problem, what the solution they have adopted is based on that accommodation idea, means the communities living in Belgium, they how to accommodate them in one nation, किस तरह से उन्हें peacefully एक nation में accommodate किया जा सके. So let's discuss the important features of accommodation model of Belgium, right? Firstly, and remember, they have revised their constitution 4 times, just to make sure that every community living in Belgium should be satisfied. जब भी उन्हें लगता था कि दे आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड या उनके बीच झगड़े बढ़ सकते हैं, तो वो अपनी पॉलिसीज इस तरह से बनाते थे कि सोसाइटी में क्लैशेस ना हो. So let's discuss the important feature of accommodation model of Belgium. Now the first is they make sure that equal distribution of seats is done. Means whenever the government is formed in Belgium, they make this point that both the communities, Dutch speaking and French speaking community, both the communities should get equal representation, equal seats in the legislature. सरकार में जितनी भी सीट्स होंगी, दोनों कम्युनिटीज़ के कैंडिडेट्स बराबर होंगे. दिस वॉज डन बिकॉज नो कम्युनिटी शुड डोमिनेट अदर कम्युनिटी. कोई एक पर्टिकुलर सिंगल कम्युनिटी दूसरी कम्युनिटी को डोमिनेट ना कर सके, मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी को डोमिनेट ना कर सके. दिस वॉज डन. तो अगर सपोज 40 लीडर्स उनकी पार्लियामेंट में होंगे, तो 20 फ्रेंच कम्युनिटी के होंगे और 20 जो है वो उनके डच कम्युनिटी के होंगे, ताकि दोनों कम्युनिटी सेटिस्फाइड रहें, इनको इक्वल रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिले और इनमें आपस में झगड़े ना हो। नाउ सेकंड इज कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फेडरल गवर्नमेंट। गवर्नमेंट इस तरह से बनाई जाएंगी अलग अलग लेवल पे कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एक होगी पूरे देश को जो रिप्रेजेंट करेगी, एंड दो रीजन्स जो तो बेल्जियम के थे, फ्लेमिश लैंड एंड विलोनियन लैंड, इन दोनों रीजन्स में जो है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स बनाई जाएंगी। दोनों ही गवर्नमेंट्स में इक्वल रिप्रेजेंटेशन का ध्यान रखा जाएगा। बराबर नंबर ऑफ सीट्स शुड बी गिवन टू बोथ द कम्युनिटीज। ओके, नाउ द इक्वल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन ब्रुसेल्स। ब्रुसेल्स में जहाँ पे कहानी पूरी ऑपोजिट थी, मैक्सिमम जो ब्रुसेल्स में रह रहे थे 80% वो डच थे और फ्रेंच माइनॉरिटी थे, जबकि पूरे देश में जो डच थे वो मेजॉरिटी में थे और फ्रेंच माइनॉरिटी में थे। तो जब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में इक्वल रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात आई, दोनों कम्युनिटीज़ को बराबर सीट्स दी गई, तो उसी तरह का अरेंजमेंट ब्रुसेल में भी किया गया। द सेम काइंड ऑफ अरेंजमेंट वाज डन इन कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ ब्रुसेल, वेयर again equal number of seats were given to both these communities so that the clashes can be avoided, right? And equal representation should be given to both the communities. Now apart from these arrangements, central state and capital city government को छोड़कर इसके अलावा एक और फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बनाएगी जिसे हम कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट कहते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी टिपिकल फीचर ऑफ बेल्जियम गवर्नमेंट जो कि बहुत देशों में देखने को नहीं मिलता। यानी अगर आप बेल्जियम में रह रहे हैं, बेल्जियम के किसी भी रीजन में रह रहे हैं, चाहे वो नॉर्दर्न रीजन हो, सदर्न रीजन हो, फ्लेमिश लैंड हो, विलोनियन लैंड हो, इन रीजन्स में रहने वाले, चाहे आप किसी कम्युनिटी को बिलोंग करते हैं, अगर आप एक डच हो और आप अगर फ्रेंच रीजन में रह रहे हो, तो भी आप अपनी कम्युनिटी को बिलोंग करते हो। बिसाइड दिस फैक्ट, यू आर लिविंग इन एनी रीजन ऑफ Belgium, whether you belong to French community and you are living in Dutch area, then also you belong to your community, and being a member of a community, you are part of community government. Now this community governments were made to make sure that every community in Belgium has a right to promote their culture, their language, their traditions, राइट ये कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट्स इसलिए बनाई गई कि जो भी कम्युनिटीज़ बेल्जियम में रह रही हैं वो अपने कल्चर को प्रमोट कर सके। वो चाहे आप किसी भी रीजन में रह रहे हो, आप अपनी कम्युनिटी के गवर्नमेंट का हिस्सा हो, आप उन कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट की एक्टिविटीज़ में बढ़ चढ़ कर हिस्सा ले सकते हैं। दिस राइट वॉज गिवन टू एवरी मेंबर ऑफ द सोसाइटी, चाहे आप किसी भी कम्युनिटी के हो। नाउ these kinds of arrangements that were done by Belgium government set an example that how different communities can live together in one nation peacefully if their basic rights, if their need for the basic rights, their basic demands and should be fulfilled, and they are equally treated. They equally get a chance to be part of the government. So to satisfy their communities, they have done these kinds of arrangements and set an example in front of the entire world how to accommodate people of different backgrounds together peacefully within one nation. सो इस एग्जाम्पल को एक परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल माना गया और इसीलिए शायद ब्रुसेल को यूरोपियन यूनियन जो कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उसका हेडक्वार्टर बनाया गया। Right, so this is all about accommodation model. After discussing, we have already discussed how the Sri Lankan government has solved the problem and how the Belgium solved this problem. Both the countries were having same kind of problems where one community is in majority and another is in minority, but both the governments were having a different approach to solve these problems. So now you can compare दोनों देशों में से बेहतर कौन सा साबित हुआ। आई एम श्योर इट इज़ द बेल्जियम मॉडल, बिकॉज इन दिस मॉडल पावर इज शेयर्ड equally among the communities, and the communities were satisfied, and that is why they are living peacefully. Rather, in Sri Lanka, only the preference was given to one particular community, and they started dominating another community minority group, which leads to frequent clashes and सिविल वॉर इन द नेशन. तो अगर हम पर्टिकुलर मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी को ज़्यादा राइट्स देते हैं, वो माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीज़ को रूल करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, डोमिनेट करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, ऐसे में जो सोसाइटी है उसमें क्लैशेस बढ़ते ही हैं. So it creates disturbances in the society. It creates political instability in the country. So out of these two models, Belgium model set a good example of power sharing. In my next video, I'll be discussing why power sharing is required. So please wait for the next video. Please like, share and review this, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.